What's the meaning of coda? Coda. Coda.
Coda. Coda. The term coda refers to a concluding section of a musical or literary composition that summarizes the main themes and brings the piece to a satisfying close. It is usually characterized by a distinctive rhythm, melody or theme that differentiates it from the rest of the work. In music, it often follows the final chorus or verse and provides a sense of closure. In literature, it can refer to an epilogue or final chapter that ties up loose ends. Overall, a coda is a powerful tool for artists to leave a lasting impression on their audience.